Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch. I originally got the OLED, but the OLED was having some issues, so I had to replace it with the regular one because they didn't have any more OLEDs because they were sold out. So I had to just resort to this, which is fine because you can still connect it to a TV regardless. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so this is the front of the box. This is the right side of the box. I'm covering the serial number. This is the back of the box. This is the other side of the box. This is the bottom of the box. And this is the top of the box. So let's open it. This is the first layer. Over here we have the Joy-Cons. This is the right Joy-Con. I'm gonna put that right there. This is the left Joy-Con. And this is the console itself. Right there. I'll unbox that last. And now I'm gonna move the first layer. So if you move this right here, okay. It has a manual guide. So that's it. That's the first layer. So now we're in the second layer. So first thing we have here is our dock, which is what we're going to use to connect to the TV. So this is it. This is like the HDMI cable, USB, AC adapter. Yeah. So now we have the accessories. So the first thing we have here is a charger. This is the Nintendo Switch charger. This is the charger for the Nintendo Switch. Next thing we have is the HDMI cable. This is the high-speed HDMI cable. This is what we're gonna connect to our dock. Next thing we have is the little Joy-Con grip. You put the Joy-Cons there. You put the Joy-Cons like a controller. The last thing we have is the Joy-Con straps. These are for like handheld. So these are really cool. And that's pretty much what's in the box. So now we're going to go ahead and turn on the Nintendo Switch, the iPad basically. So I think I need to take these off because you do need to connect them when you turn them on. So I'll put these right here. So this is the console. It has a little kickstand. It's very little, it's very flimsy. That's why I like the OLED better. It's a very flimsy kickstand. So yeah, but I'm not gonna use it too much so I don't break it. But yeah, this is it. So we're gonna turn it on. Okay, so I need to try the Joy-Cons. You guys hear the sounds? Yeah, that's very satisfying. This is so cool. So we're gonna have to set it up. I'm gonna pick English, Americas. So we're gonna accept it. So it's gonna ask to connect to my Wi-Fi. I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi and I'll be right back. I just put my password, is connecting, and it connected, successfully connected. It's okay. Time zone. So we're gonna pick this one. Connect to TV. So we're gonna connect to TV later. Okay, so we're gonna detach the Joy-Cons. It's asking me to detach the Joy-Cons from the console. So I'm going to detach. This is how you detach the console. So there we go. So now it's asking me to use the left stick to select next. Then press the OK. Use the console with the Joy-Con controllers attached or detached. Choose the control style you prefer, then continue. Okay, so a user would be added to the console. Create new user. I'm gonna pick a character I want. I'm going to pick this Splatoon girl. So a nickname for my user. So I'm gonna pick iQueeneth. I'm just use the touchscreen. So I'm gonna link my Nintendo account because you need that to buy games from the eShop. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and I'll be right back. So I just put my password and I'm gonna click sign in. This is my account. I'm going to link it right now. I'm just use the controls. I don't like link. The Nintendo account was successfully linked. So this is why I can enjoy using the following feature. I can enjoy friend features, news about games and details, Nintendo eShop, posting screenshots to social media. Okay. Add another user, skip. Nintendo online. Next. Skip. Setup is complete. Press the home button. And we're in. I'm gonna install a few games from the eShop. You can install Fortnite for free. The system update is required. So the system update, I'm gonna click. Okay, so the update is complete. It's gonna restart. I'm just attached. Okay, I'm not attached to Joy-Cons right now. So it's back on. It's restarting. And press A. So that's me unboxing the Nintendo Switch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.